Only man I can take in a while. This video be him with him. This video beginning him with him. This is man Anambra state oka. Amanse ko amanese. Nyoka karache na me. I begin to ask myself, when I get this video, I begin to ask myself, what are those security, government official security name? What are the non-governmental security operations on here? What are those people saying I have sophisticated weapons no ni mo ha se na ha na echekwa obodo na ihe ndị Fulani na-eme gịnị ka ha na-eme? See, I'm going to the simple truth. Ndị ilu agbaga ya okilikili. As we stand now na Igbo anyị, ndị ilu agbaga ya okilikili. A lot of our people not in power today are not doing that in another empower ka ha we megine ka ha we melegi ko we delegi na ma. They are there for the betterment of them and their children. Enwere him njo one guy yesterday asked me as in no kita no na, for example Igbo onye Idemmili South. Enwere ki esi mara allocation battle in Idemmili South in every month. Because every month allocation na bata. What are your local government? What are our local government officials doing to combat security? First of all, Nigerians, we are not asking for much in this country. An average Nigerian guy is hardworking. An average Nigerian lady, they hardworking on their own level. But we are not asking for much. I make and do chaibu hadinala na choka bia salaha bathroom when robot na hanka melonye na isile hanni men cause. We are not lazy. We are not asking for much. All we need is security, good road, and light. Also, is that difficult to ask? Is that difficult to ask? We okulora many most states when the people say na those people have no kidnappers na have ndị na-echekwa obodo ndị nọ n'ime ọhịa maka ndị imago ndị Fulani ndị oji egbe eja ma ha ya anọkwa die ndị Fulani ha na-akpa mkpamkpa ị na-ajụzi onwe gị ọ ndị anụnwa na-eme ihe ka ndị Fulani na-eme ihe. We don't know the difference between ndị be anyị nọ n'ọhịa si na ha na-echekwa ọhịa na ndị Fulani nọ n'ọhịa na-egbu ndị be anyị. Kita this lady bia confess na this video here na unu na afia na akụkụ. I will still play it. Can you hear this girl? And I so much, this girl the brave name Kuku. But can you imagine the kind of trauma the why I get bigger very soon? That na only hana ke a within mother it mother or back rather than your brother, your relation, and a low anana. That is when you will break down highest. This girl is in a hajelo or somewhere. Sada no baka has also no hajelo somewhere na anata. That way mabulu hanuzo. If these people can also enter our territory, no in our bushes, no in our videos, what are the Anambra State local government chairmen doing? What are they doing to combat security? Ebunu undu shindaka abandon ndiji security in order to be commanding respect and fear in the life of people. Waiting on security. What else do you expect from them to serve the community? Onwe hanalo. Anglokulos baga anglokulos bada. Natural ones haya nakute. Undu create form their own cell and police station on their own. This case in Ibuluhan. Na one name why na one name working. Ikidanya na one name why we see the boy nyaje gotela ha Saga no taba. That no bulu no jero obu no putara na yegbu umunwanne na abu. This guy je nata hadono niru the boy ndi na nwanne na abu ke na afukwa haluo ndi na nwanne na abu ndi na chaya then na akpọ ndị be ha ka ha weta ego 20 million from 10 million as no 20 million. This guy categorically confirmed na ndị anara anu Igbo na ihe na asụ bụ gịnị Fulani na Hausa, Fulani and English ka ha na-asụ na ha nara anu Igbo because the interview bịa jụọ ya enwere onye sụrụ Igbo n'ime ha ọ sị no ọ sị gịnị no. Now the guy just good say ganata. Oh, when then why the boy jinata? Why didn't he go and come on the security men cause? In I saw a man not okay boom one near nab. Okay boom one near nab. Imano one informant duilia. Imano one year duilia with take away any duanya in case of misbehavior. Or just anata a way see the boy didn't one near wine this boy Joe. The guy Joe. How I bloom away with this boy. So now, if on a this in abro, if on a abros also, it won't matter. They are fighting very hard to desecrate the land. They are no more interested in your Ikwafobala. They are trying so much to corrupt the Igbo race. To corrupt the Igbo race. Kedonye kuzile hanka. No balo na ani baye. One na one. What if, for example, na this thing me now? Which year one on your that girl decided to get into one name to be under that duress. Do you know the implication of what he have done to the family and to the lineage of that people? Kedonye kuzile ndị Fulani no na ani Igbo anyị na no bụ halu na ani Igbo nwoke dị na nwanne nwanyị. So in anything, this thing is no longer an activity to destroy the Igbo race. It destroys Chagi physically, it destroys Yauno spiritually. I know everywhere in our midst today. They may be watching this video, Neme, join interpreter and I interpret it. And I begin to ask myself, do security need an organizing an Igbo Kedi Heboloha? An Igbo, or is it too big? Or is it too big that you cannot combat insecurity than an Igbo? And when my video once and say, it then merely start to local government chairman. You can wish people happy new year, and KJ wish a happy new month. Or what any update in name now your local government about what you are doing in your pages? There is nothing there. I begin to ask that question. Your Instagram account is stagnant. The last time you posted there was Happy New Year 2023. While you people are sworn in 2024. Also, the 2024 can be swearing. What are the things he put on your platform? So can we go so far? Na government in MS so far. He go on na batana local government every month. Kedi hunu GM. Because the man saying na government and nego every month. Unuputega decided to okay or connect Tolimbuno chicha 4 years uno. Only Josia they were barely 1 year in office. In actually 4 years in office before you lose. In actual until you do that 4 years or not 3 years before everybody lose whatever. Check it down some of the Owagago advance in building roads and drainage system. Unukana alola in kwa abapata wokolota acho moto press abayoko the thing atakudonana or unukana alo. While other states are building concrete roads with road that can stay for 15-30 years or maybe hemegolia. Onuna local abuno after 2 years millions oya bowasecha ebido kwanisi unalo ya ila de hemu n'anya unu eji obodo relax ya Lagos Abuja na relax ya mana natakwa mbubata na technology ahụ unu fo n'obodo ọzọ to your own place anyunu onye unu mana unu ya no empower n'izuzu ya onye fo na airport onwe nke ya fo na airport na drag ya ha with themselves. Ilan designer Germany if we local government chairman your governor your senator e wala ka habula ha gina ha na azo taxi azo. But they cannot make life easy for them and for their own citizens. Now, you foolish Galatians, who has bewitched you? Who has bewitched the Anambra state? Who has bewitched Anibai? Who has bewitched you people?
Okay. Jadi ye melu di malam masih. I got on Thursday. When I got on Friday. But I'm also okay. Back on the neve. So, the Fulani wage die. I say, I will say, Jegute Saga. Na Igbo Taba.
Pero yan sa Jegute Saga?
Eman,
nag-graphics ba siya?
Emmanuel.
Okay.
I will say, Jegute Saga. Obu machine, go up with the neve. Jegute Shadi Saga Pita. And I let machine here. Kiana one container there about.
Yan na machine yan?
The Fulani. Ala buy. Say I should be her. I see her. Where but I know here. Oh, yeah, I am a level. I am a level. So, I will say, yeah, iPhone. Say, Boba, in the buy, not 10 million or like 5. Since Friday, I didn't talk.
Okay.
Since Friday, I didn't make call. So, on Saturday, no total. I went born her, say, the apple, Igbo. Now, I make go arrangement.
But give us a
on Saturday.
On Saturday?
Okay. I went on around that kind of level, PG Patadingo. Only Sifa, which you ofu Nolia, Sudo. So, Nakatazi, Ebe Mwede, only Sifa Balos of Ya, Sibabamba, say of Anambra, I am in your giant police. I like a son, I have more police. I am a hon and the police. Well, it's not how you buy it. No one knows how you buy young. The Fulani.
Don't get a room,
it's not how you buy it. No one now work up. They do go one year work, choir, uncle. So, how is not how you buy it? Okay, I know you have since I know Coca Cola, but Ndigbo one now, okay. Now, that's not one now, okay. How you buy it? All I can since before 4 night, when your number is Saturday, I will talk about the rose of tea. I never call on Sunday. And how much I close 1 minute. But when I'm aside, I am not since I anymore. I am not
a particular place, it not look that now of your side.
Of your book, no, William, no, of your book.
Okay. So that's one of them,
Emmanuel.
Okay, Emmanuel.
So I went to tell about yesterday. We for 1 man, 1 type of one. Let's see you could no cook na Igbo. I will say the manager go to Saga na Otaba. The man will get a cigar, we put a one of my machita, Japan, and by then, 4 9
across 1 million,
across 1 million, no, you can't ever. And 4 9 you go. How you put 1 and 1?
I swear.
You put 4 more.
I swear.
So I come to more. I went and say, I phone, I will one divine. I will tell her ego. I will say, not 20 millions, I was 10 million.
You don't know.
The Fulani, not 20 million, or was it?
I don't see you,
had I knew, had I seen
okay.
Not 20 million, catches and about 10 million. For now, I was not feeling any. No, higher get a jail, weapon. Not at the fan out of a hole. West Emmanuel West Side, 1 pocket. Weapon pussy.
Okay.
I was I would eat better. I would eat better now. I get them on that one side now. I will let my cabin. Emmanuel. A bruise over them, my boy, and you. Yes, I would eat better. I would eat better. I cross 1 minute. I thought I want them I have fully. Until this lie. Yes, now you boo. Then Emmanuel.
Don't say I book Emmanuel.
Definitely. I will cross 1 minute. Yes, I lie down. I lie down. I feel me papa. I say I had dinner. Or just normal me. Come on, and make question you. Markets with Tizio.
It is a Mabuto
Emmanuel.
Then the boot of the young. It is a Mabuto. So, Mexican, give me again.
I will say more much love. I can tell up I have some of 1 million. Say I said more also. Bomb was also in me. I crack ebb. We is a Saga. About also that is only in the Fulani. I was also that was a house where I read. More about also a put up.
But there are some Uzo
Amansi.
Okay.